Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to unwrap gift number 24 in Ginny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box for 2024. I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas Eve and a very Merry Christmas tomorrow. And I'm really sad that this is ending because I had a lot of fun opening these gifts with you. This is gift number 24. And I hope that you enjoyed it too. And if you did enjoy it, please leave a comment in the comments below if you'd like to see this again next year. When we order this box, we order it fairly early. I think it's April or beginning of May, so that Jenny knows how many boxes to make for the Christmas season. So if you do enjoy these videos, just let me know in the comments below. So without any further ado, let's open gift number 24. Here we go. It's pliable. I'm not quite sure what it is. Sneaky peek. What could this be? Here we go. Ooh, all right, let's open this. Anything else in there? Nope. What is this? These are patterns. Okay, Jenny's Holiday Red block, Holiday Block Red. This is 18 by 18 inches. Okay, here we go. This is Jenny's Holiday Block Aqua. These are patterns. Oh my goodness, look at that. These are patterns. See what it says here. All right. That is so cool. So that's a blue one. Look at this. Holiday Block Teal. Oh, I can't wait to make these. This gift is 4 patterns, which is all of her holiday blocks, which we've seen on various gifts throughout this entire box. This is really cool. All right, so this is going to be an 18-inch finished block, but we need fabric. So that makes me wonder what could possibly be coming in the last box. Oh my goodness. This is going to be fun, and I think we need to do this together. So we might have to do some videos together where I show you how to make this. This is so cool. So I don't think there's any other pictures inside. No, there's pictures to show you how to make it. And then there is a quilt picture right here that shows a potential layout if you did 4 of each of the blocks. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm super excited. Super excited. And this will give me an opportunity as well to work on my points, because sometimes I have trouble working and getting my points all lined up. And this to me tells me I would have a lot of practice getting my points lined up. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. Let's show you these one more time. There's a red block, a gray block, and an aqua block, and a teal block. So stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV for tomorrow's unveiling of the last gift. It is going to be gift number 25. This was 24. And I think we're going to have an amazing time opening that one. So stay tuned. Merry Christmas Eve. Have a wonderful day. Spend time with your loved ones and family. And I will see you tomorrow for the last gift unboxing. Until then, take care and happy stitching. Bye-bye.